I love it. I love it. I love it. I love.
Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Mari. For those of you that don't know, I am new to YouTube. This is my second video here. Like and subscribe. And today I'm doing this look, this blue icy starry night type of look, vibe, feel, I don't know. But anyway, if you would like to see how I came up with this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in the video. Bye.
The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, so kind.
So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using these blues. Going from this color up and then in this colors and down. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And I'm just going to be packing all that on to the eye.
No need to leave, spend our whole lives.
So I just pack the colors just in layers and just blend it out. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, the one that came in my Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm also using a Morphe M330 to blend everything.
And I know when we're old, we'll look back and say some mistakes we made, they made us who we are. These games we played, they got us really far.
I'm fairly like new to makeup, well at least eye makeup. I don't usually do like my eyes at all, but I just like started getting into them, doing them, and I find it really fun and stuff like that. And I'm always watching YouTube videos, and so I recommend anybody that's like me and wondering, oh, should I start a YouTube channel or anything like that, I say go for it. Like, why not? Okay, I'm on the last color right here at the top. With this color, I'm just packing it onto the lid. Just the lid and also to the inner corner. And I'm just gonna blend it. Next, I'm gonna go in with this top color right here. But I'm just gonna go into my inner corner with it. Just like that. So to finish the rest of this look, is gonna be the bottom half, and we're gonna use these colors right here, which is gonna finish off the under eye. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and go to this eye off camera, and I'll be back. Look at these colors. This palette is stunning. So we're gonna go in with this one, and then we're gonna go in with the next one and just use this row right here for our bottom lash line.
To feel the wake of your motion, and I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I'll be gone to November, going through the letters that I send her, and thinking about the moment that I met her. Well, I'll be
Right now I'm just going to highlight. Yeah, I'm gonna use French toast.
And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, so kind.
So, you made it to the end of this video. If you did, I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video full through. If you watched the whole video, comment blue heart down below, and if you enjoyed this look, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Like, this look kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, a winter icy blue starry night type of look, whatever you want to call it. I gotta forget what I'm gonna call it, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it and doing this eye look and everything. So I hope you guys will like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. The Lord say the same. Bye.